Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start earning Robux in PLS Donate? Here's how to make a Game Pass in under 1 minute. First of all, go to roblox.com on a browser and click Create at the top. Now, click on Creations, then select a theme. From here, select Passes and select it. Now click change or choose an choose an image, give your pass name, description, then hit save changes and create pass. Now go to sales tab, toggle item for sale and set your price in Robux. Now rejoin PLS donate and boom, your stand will show the Game Pass time to earn those Robux. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have any questions, drop in the comments below. Thanks for watching.